Fish on. Yeah, baby. Second cast. Hey guys, this is Joe Nichols, the Mountain Man, and you're watching Arkie Outdoors, and today we're doing some creek fishing. Alright guys, we're out here with my son Jonathan today. We're just doing a little creek fishing. Come along and fish along with us and see what we catch. Today we're just fishing with rooster tails. I have my bass rods with me too in the truck, just in case we decide we want to throw some frogs or something, but it's kind of fun just catching them on little rooster tails. I think we're going to end up doing some wade. We got some shoes with us to put on. Champion Cycling is a full-service bike shop. All makes and models are welcome. They have a vast supply of inventory on hand. If they don't have it, they can order it. Mountain bikes, road bikes, scooters, e-cruisers, e-all mountain. They carry brands like Specialized and Pivot. Looking for something used? Check out their certified pre-owned. Champion Cycling, 5500 Mazard Road, Fort Smith, Arkansas. We've had so much water here lately, the water's kind of jacked up anyway, so we're just going to see what we can do. Haven't hardly fished this year. I've been so busy with work and other things. Sometimes it's nice just to get out and enjoy the things you really want to do. I don't know what I got. Weeds. Must have landed right on it. Before I get any closer, I'm gonna make a cast or two right here so I don't spook them walking on these rocks. I can see some rocks under the water right there. There might be a couple hanging out. And ease up here real easy, see if I can't. We've canoed and kayaked this a lot in the past. It's one of our favorite places to go. This is the Frog Bayou at Twin Bridges. As it begins to get hotter out here, I'll have to start looking for some shade. And fish will hold up a lot of times in the shade. Around some deadfalls or some rocks. Alright, so we decided to put on our wading shoes, take our hiking boots off. I think we're going to wade down to the railroad crossing down there and just see some trash from last time I waded. I use these for kayaking and wading. They're Vibram 5 toes. They're made for barefoot running. I don't run. I highly recommend these. They're really, really nice for this. A little hard to get on when your feet's damp though.
We try to work our way down into the railroad track. It's about 100 yards down there. I know that there's some pretty good pockets right through here. We'll try to get those.
Okay, so we're gonna wade down the creek a little ways. Ooh, it's pretty cold. And try to work our way down there to the railroad track. It's about 100 yards down there. I know that there's some pretty good pockets right through here, and I'm gonna try to hit those on the way up. All right, here we go.
Where the water's running around it, and the water's not moving in the pocket. A lot of times the fish get here cold up. You can catch them here. I know this changes every time it floods, but back in the day, that's a pretty good deep hole out there.
Yep. This is quite a bit deeper than I thought it would be, and it's running fairly hard. It's not crazy, it's just a little bit hard to walk in. I think that's gonna be too shallow right there. I was talking about earlier. Might be some little tiny ones holding up in there. There we go. Like a little bass. Yeah. Little guy. Come on now. Little bitty guy.
Well, my first catch of the day is a little sun perch. I don't know if y'all can see that. The hook out of its mouth and let it go. It was hitting so light I thought I was bumping rocks.
You can walk on down a little bit. See that rock out there? Hit that point this side of the rock and then just kind of fish along your way along all that. There we go. Oh, nice little bass. There we go. Best one of the day. Still a little bitty fella, but we'll take it. Let me give myself a little slack there. There we go. Little bitty fella, but you know what? Fish on.
I'm actually using my wife's fishing pole. It was a gift, and we haven't been able to go fishing in about 3 years, and so when Dad asked me to go, I decided I'm gonna bust it open and string it up. But this line is pretty cheap and it's got a lot of memory in it and keeps wanting to twist and tangle. So it's a bit of an issue, but it's doing okay. I've had to cut some off and retie it, and actually lost the lure earlier because it has a little too much stretch to it. Couldn't get it to break loose. There we go. Oh, it's a big one. I didn't even feel it hit. I just felt it pull away from me. This pole. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that. Come on. One more to get out here. He managed to almost get all 3 hooks in his mouth. I know. There he goes.
There we go. I think it's perch. It's hard to tell. Yep. Yep, another sunfish. I'm telling you, get over in the shade and cast up there. Got him.
The rock's coming up with a little water snake right there. But getting distracted with it. I don't make it mad, I'm standing right here. Don't do that, because I'm standing right here and I'm stuck.
We're waist deep into this. The water's running really, really hard. I mean, it's not like crazy rapid hard, but to walk in is hard. And it's well over waist deep. Just trying to make it back to the truck. All right, guys, this has been Frog Bayou. Little wading trip with my son, Jonathan. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, hit the subscribe button, give me a thumbs up and share. Guys, I love you. I'll see you on the flip side, and maybe I'll see you somewhere in the great outdoors.